Roger, here's your 427 LS. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our cylinder heads on it. Obviously it's got a Whipple on it. Got the Wegner front end, beautiful piece. Custom grind hydraulic roller. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3,900, 300 or 899 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 938 foot-pounds, peak horsepower 10,039, pump gas, pretty easy timing. What we'll do here now, show you some things. When you receive your engine and find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card full of technical information. Highly recommend watching all it. It has the engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specifications. If you need help from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. So have a great day.